In today's video, I will walk you through how to calculate average in Google Sheets. If you want to quickly calculate averages in Google Sheets, the average formula makes it easy. Let's start with finding the average math score for a group of students. Click on any empty cell, like F2, then type equals average open parenthesis B2 colon B6 close parenthesis, and press enter. Google Sheets will calculate the average of all the values in cells B2 through B6 and display the result instantly. Next, if you want to calculate the average score for one student across multiple subjects, select another empty cell and type equals average open parenthesis B2 colon D2 close parenthesis, then press enter. This formula calculates the average of the scores in cells B2 through D2. You can use the same method for any row or column in your spreadsheet. Just change the cell range to match the data you want to include. To calculate the overall average for every score in the table, click on an empty cell and type equals average, open parenthesis, B2 colon D6 close parenthesis, then press enter. Google Sheets will combine all the values in that range and calculate one overall average. Whenever you update the numbers in your sheet, the averages will automatically update as well. And that's how to calculate averages in Google Sheets using the average formula. Thank you for watching the video.